This super helpful video is brought to you by the Gin Lounge, premium executive assistant content for the price of a cocktail a month, securely hosted on Patreon. Join now via the link in the video description. Today I'm going to show you how to create pre-populated email links with the subject and sender included. You know when you click a button on a website and it automatically opens an email client and pre-populates information? Like this. Well, that's what we're going to do. The example I'm going to show you is from SharePoint, but you can use this code any way you like. You can see I'm on SharePoint now, and when I click this button that says Order Business Cards, it opens my email client and it is pre-populated with the email address I'm sending to, as well as the subject, and in this example I've even included the body of the email. This is all thanks to this field here and the code I've entered. I've included the code in the video description here so you can simply copy and paste and edit the text to suit your email. So fancy, yet so simple. For more super helpful EA how-to content, be sure to visit eahowto.com, where you'll find links to our private Facebook group for assistance only, as well as our LinkedIn page. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know what tutorials you'd like to see. Bye for now.